Ever wished you could turn your vocabulary into a perfectly tailored reading list without spending a lot of time and then creating different activities on that? Hi, I'm Sanaa Ilyas, Strategic Programs Coordinator at Skilling Future. And today I am going to show you how you can actually do that with the awesome feature in Diffit. Whether you're working with English learners, you are supporting struggling readers, or you just want to make vocabulary instruction a little bit more meaningful, this is actually the tool that you can use to do that. And the best thing is it can help you with differentiation as well. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to actually bring your vocabulary instruction to life with Diffit. Go to the Diffit website and then click the vocabulary list. Here you can enter up to 20 vocabulary words. I am going to enter 15 random ones and going to add maybe one more. Select your reading level and then select the language. For example, I'm going to go ahead with grade 5th, and I'm going to click on generating resources. What if it is going to do is that in the meanwhile, it's thinking of, or it is going to create a reading passage based on the vocabulary components or the vocabulary that I have provided. Just think about the possibilities there. Maybe there are some students in your class who crossed 2 to 3 subjects, are struggling with some vocabulary component, and then you can just create a list and help them with that list. Here you can think of or come up with or add an image. Have a look at the reading. Have a look at the reading passage. It is going to be a fiction based reading passage, and you can customize its text length. It can tell you that, okay, what is it that you are going to do. If you want to add and remove content, you want to work on the reading style, and this is a new feature that they have come up with. And then you can also decide that if there are any other custom adjustments that you would want to make. So as you read it, you would see that, okay, the word gargantuan is here. There are, for example, other words that you had added benefit in that, you had added overheard in that, justice in that as well, and all of those words are here. It's going to give you a summary. It is going to give you a list of key vocabulary words, for example, the ones that I had given. Do you want to add any more vocabulary words? You want to add in images? And you can click on add in images, and it's going to look for images. You can upload your own images. For example, uh, this one. You've added that there for benefit, and then for all of the words you can add in. It has created MCQs, short question and answers, and open-ended prompts. And again, you can make any changes here. You can add in, for example, you want to add in a question, and you're like, I want to add a simple reasoning question. Get a question based on the reading comprehension passage that you had created. And what you would want to do next is, because you really like the activity and you're like, okay, what do I do next? I want my students to work on it. You can basically either print it, you can put it to export to Google Forms, or you can export it to a printable document. For example, here it's going to ask you what are the different things that you want to add. Do you want to add the reading level, or do you want to add so because we have kept the original text, we are going to go ahead with that, and we are going to click export, and it is going to add in all of the activities that you would see on the main page here to your Google documents. And this is not all. There are some other custom activities that are or templates that are already present in Diffit that you can adapt, or that you can use for your students. I would select that, okay, open in Google Documents. If you want to make any changes there, if I want to, so here you go. uh, or the reading passage. Again, add in all of the images that you would want. Again, the questions, MCQ. So the good thing about Diffit is, and this is one of the reasons that I like the platform a lot, is the way that it allows for customization. If you want to, for example, if you want to translate that, It will ask you that, okay, which language which language you want to do it. It supports multiple languages. You want to change the reading level, because again, some students in your class may be advanced learners and you would want to change the reading level for them. And click grade 6, you regenerate, and it's going to generate a new passage for you, for your learners. Just think about it, that okay, with the respective needs that you have in your classroom, what you're targeting, this is where the Diffit vocabulary feature is going to help you. So test the feature out and do share with me how it works out for you. Good luck and see you guys soon with another video.